So back when I was chasing the dream of becoming a professional footballer, which was years ago, I faced a pivotal moment that would steer my path to progress. It was the London District Cup final, a match I had specifically trained super hard for. In my head, I was going to score a Marco van Basten volley, a John Barnes goal against Brazil. If you know, you know. Anyway, the point is, I was going to make my mark on the pitch in that game. However, that day brought an unexpected twist. I didn't make the starting lineup. I was on the bench, substitute. I didn't have that story of being a super sub. I watched my friends win the cup whilst I was on the bench. I realised in that game that my football dreams, or as you Americans call it, soccer dreams, might not come true. But this setback taught me invaluable lessons, life lessons. I learned resilience, determination, and the ability to see opportunities in challenges. Looking back at that time, I can now see that that was my path to progress. However, I didn't have a term for it then. I didn't know what to call it. Now I can see everyone at some point has a path to progress, a starting point. For example, let me use a famous person's path to progress. Let me use David Beckham as an example. Beckham used his World Cup sending off in 1998 as his driving force of success. You see, Beckham didn't choose to get sent off. As a matter of fact, he didn't deserve to get sent off. However, that was Beckham's path to progress. I'll tell you why it was his path to progress. When he got sent off, Beckham instantly became England's most hated person. He got death threats, his family got death threats. However, that situation is what built Beckham's character. That situation built David Beckham into the global icon that we all know. You see, everybody has a path to progress. You don't get to choose your disappointment. However, you do get to choose your disappointment as a stepping stone. The same way I sat on the bench for the London Cup final, that was a stepping stone to building my resilience. And now, years later, being able to recognize that as a path to progress. You see, there's going to be highs and lows when you're on your path to progress. However, it's the lows and what you choose to do with those lows that will determine how far you will progress. Each setback becomes an opportunity for growth, a chance to refine your strategy, to improve your skills and gain a competitive advantage. By reframing your challenges as opportunities, you'll be able to leverage them to fuel your growth and stand out when it comes to publishing books on Amazon. When I first started, I had all types of challenges, from trying to get reviews to how I was going to market my book without breaking the bank. However, each hurdle taught me something new. I invested time in learning the platform. I studied the mechanics behind successful books. I tested different marketing strategies. Over time, I developed a system that it worked for me. The same way you recognize your path to progress, which may come in the form of a setback, a disappointment, or even a lack of sales. So the key takeaways in being able to recognize and use your own path to progress is: 1, resilience in adversity. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth, just as I did when I didn't make the football team. 2, reframing challenges. See disappointment as a chance to learn, adapt, and grow, turning setbacks into stepping stones towards success. 3, continuous learning. Stay updated, adapt to changes, and leverage insights to maintain a competitive edge in business. 4, recognizing paths to progress. Understand that opportunities often come disguised as challenges, requiring a shift in perspective to capitalize on them. And 5, leveraging experience. Use your unique experiences and insights to stand out, whether you're writing or your marketing approach or your reader engagement. In conclusion, my journey from aspiring footballer to Amazon KDP publisher has been filled with lessons in resilience, growth, and recognizing opportunities in challenges. How you can carve out your progress is: embrace your setbacks, learn from your experiences. Remember, our path to progress usually comes in the form of setbacks. However, those setbacks are going to fuel our journey to success. So remember, embrace challenges, learn from failures, and I'll see you in the next video.